yung inspiration ng kanyang product. Anyway, by the way, yung manufacturer namin, no, yung exclusive nagsusupply sa amin, yung Invent Foods Manufacturing Corporation. Matagal na yan, more than almost 20 years na, di ba?
Yes.
And like Alan was saying, Invent Foods is the only coffee plant in the whole Mindanao and Visayas. There are only 3 in Luzon, no? Yung malalaki. Common Foods, Nestle, no? And URC. And modesty aside, kaya nga nagulat kami, no? Na meron pala ditong world-class na coffee manufacturing plant. In fact, one of the top coffee here in the Philippines na brand, magpapatoling sa kanila, magpapagawa ng 11 million sachets a day. A day.
Wow.
So maybe that answers your question kung will the supplier stay. Ang planta niya hindi nga tapos pa, is around 300 million na no, and growing, and very world class. Solar ang ginagamit, may solar panels sila, etc. No, very sila, top of the line, state of the art. That's why, but very low key lang. Kaya we're very honored na naging partner nga namin sila, because they have very quality local products na talagang may lalaban talaga. Kasi this has already been, most of this had been already proven. No?
So, dito, ano naman ang benefits nitong shampoo, and then this one, the oil?
Okay.
Kasi,
Okay, ang tawag namin sa dalawang ito, pares. Kasi itong isa, pagligo mo, gagamitin mo ito kasi shampoo ito, no?
yeah.
Anti-dandruff, prevents falling hair, effective against lice or yung kuto, no? Blackens and makes your hair shine and healthy, no? Ang Esqualina herbal shampoo namin is 100% natural with no chemicals added. It is made from cocoa milk, no? Dog shark oil or Esqualene, which we know is very expensive, no?
Yes.
But modesty aside, meron silang farm sa Palawan. Kaya we are able to use this, no? With vitamin A, D, and E, and gumamela extract and honey. These herbs have been proven to protect your hair from dust, dirt, and bacterial invasion, and that causes dandruff, premature falling hair, and dryness of the scalp. No? Pagkatapos maligo, ipat dry mo yung buhok mo, ito na naman ang gagamitin mo, yung tinatawag namin na hair and scalp therapy, no?
The following day, pagligo.
Yeah,
Pagligo na.
Yeah, pakaligo mo, i-dry mo, then instead na magamit ka ng mga gel or pomade or oil, ito na lang gamitin mo, because this is hair and scalp therapy. Ito ang pagkain ng ating ulo or yung scalp natin, pati yung buhok natin. Mahaba masyadong nito, maybe sometime kung gusto nyo talagang maintindihan yung nito, we will be having our website, ipopost namin yan doon, no? So this will protect your hair again, no? Ang maganda dito, from falling hair, effective hair grower, no? Marami na kaming testimonies nito. Blackens and makes your hair shine and healthy. We have really proven this. Marami kaming mga testimony na maganda masyado. Kasi alam ba ninyo, pag gumamit tayo ng mga synthetic chemicals, instead na mag-grow tayo, alam natin yun, di ba? Hindi naman kami ang nagsasabi niyan, no? Everybody nagsasabi niyan, yung mga environmentalists, mga scientific studies, they have pointed out na we should go back to nature as what the Lord intended us to do, di ba? So, isa rin yung sa philosophy namin, no? That's why if we can help it, we will only patronize and give our members all the natural products that we can have.
Effective talaga siya sa yung mga dandruff. You know, for 20 years, I have problem with dandruff. 2 days lang ng gamit ng product na yan. Esqualina. Nawala yung binibiri ko nga, di ba, sa presentation, no, na wag tank, no? Yung cusp, yung matindi na cusp ako for 20 years, 22 years.
Okay, balik tayo dito sa Maharlika Mine na ating pinag-usapan. Siyempre, saan bang office nito? Siyempre, maraming magtatanong sa ating programa, no?
Yes.
Saka yung
Kung,
schedules ng kanilang
schedule.
lectures
Tsaka,
nila.
ang dami pa kasi ditong product na hindi ko, ano ba itong mga product na to? Iba?
Siguro, okay, para ma-invite natin
Oo.
sila, no? As of now, nandyan ho kami every day, no? From Monday to Saturday sa 176 J. Sarge Building sa San Pedro Street, no? Malapit yan sa corner Anda Street. Malapit yan sa Lakitan.
In front of
In
Baclayan
front of
Jewelry.
Baclayan Jewelry,
Pawn
no?
shop,
Every day, nandyan kami, meron kami tinatawag na Health and Business Opportunity Meeting. From 1:30 to 3:30, then 5:30 to 7:30, ganyan. Every day, nandyan kami.
I heard, di ba, Rose, may partner pa kayo nito. Hindi lang produkto na ginagamit sa pambahay, no? Yung ginagamit natin sa sarili natin, sa mukha, sa buhok, at syempre sa ini-intake natin. So parang may partner pa kayo, I heard that.
May darating pa mga household products, no?
Parang may partner pa kayo nito na talagang nakakatulong sa mga taong miyembro nito ng Maharlika.
Oo, yun yung pambahay.
Pambahay.
Yes, okay.
Ay,
Gusto mo?
so gusto kong maitanong din yun kasi partner ninyo
Maganda
yun.
yun, magandang
Sige.
question yun, yes.
Kasi sa nalaman ko, yung Maharlika Mine, may partner sila na talagang tumutulong sa mga tao na
You're right.
kung walang bahay,
Yes.
no?
Shelter-
Kung walang bahay,
shelter
talagang
program.
makakatulong din yun.
Well, Mars.
Sige, okay. A month ago or so, no? We came to befriend, no? Former councilor Tony Vergara. I think most of you knows him, no? He had been, I think, twice two-termer councilor of Davao City, and I think he was once an OIC, no? Nag-meeting kami ganon. We discussed the Maharlika business to him, and he got very interested. Kasi with us not knowing na meron pala siyang housing project. Yung tinatawag niya na Econo Brick House. This is a technology na patented, no? Ang may-ari ng technology nito si JC De Los Reyes, yung tumakbong presidential candidate, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Very young man, no? Siya yung may hawak ng patent sa buong Pilipinas. Ang binigyan niya ng authority to develop this Econo Brick House in the whole island of Mindanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi is Councilor Tony Vergara. Ang problema ni Councilor, sabi niya, kasi the house is around 350,000 pesos only. Pero remember, ang kanyang bricks, no, is 6 times stronger than the ordinary cement and more cheaper. And marami pang maganda. So yung plano niya is, meron siyang housing program na 35 square meters ang floor area with 50 square meters lot, no? He is intending to build around 1 million houses. I don't know, parang sinabi niya nga in Davao lang no?
Uy.
So marami no? Kasi alam ba ninyo 80% of the Filipinos do not have their own houses,
Wala.
no? So nakita nila yung need na yon. That's why they have come up with a very practical way of letting Filipinos have their houses, no? It will only cost you around 350,000. But in spite of the low cost pa rin, sabi ni Councilor, not so many people are able to afford that. So, ang nangyari nito, nag-partner kami. Si Councilor Vergara ang in charge dun sa housing niya, Econo Brick House.
Okay.
Then, problema niya, paano yun mabayaran ng mga members? So, nag-partner kami kasi yung sa business side namin, yun ang magbabayad ng kanyang 350 pesos na bahay. And it's nakita namin ngayon is going well. Maraming naging very interested kasi maganda masyado yung kanyang house, no? Do you know that may libre yung lifetime na kuryente. And at
Kuryente
the